All right, so one thing that I forgot to check is if it has rails or brackets. I forget which thing is which, but the thing that mounts it to like the seat mounts, I believe it does. Like it should be on there and stuff. But just gonna check anyway. Oh, yep, I see it right there. Yeah, it's good. I'm glad they have that because if they didn't, then the brackets that I'm getting today would be useless. I see some dirt right here. As you guys can see right there, a little smudgy smudge. And I also didn't show you guys that the back is sparkling. Like these. Oh man, I just slapped my phone out of my hand. Luckily it fell in the box. That would have been bad if it fell on this. Because the ground in the basement is concrete and carpet back there, so that would have been terrible. But yes, these seats are absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to give you guys like a better look at them right now. And then I'm going to go to Walmart and grab some, what do you call it? Some suede protectant from Chemical Guys, because I believe Walmart has it all. And then I'm also going to get the ceramic coat because my wheels are coming next week, which also means that I have to order my over fenders. And I'm getting paid today, so I contacted a company because the first ones that I was going to get, they're not getting back to me and they would have to be shipped from somewhere in the United Kingdom, and they don't offer that. So I just have to get another kind, and then I'll have them do like the coating. But oh my god. No. It's like the, oh my god. Wow. These are nice. And then let me show you guys that. Let me show you this. Let me show you that. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that sparkle. And when I'm going to tell you guys something that I have not mentioned, but the over fenders are going to be custom because the wheels are insanely spec'd. And just take note of these sparkles. Like, yeah, that's all I'm going to hint towards. But, oh, man. That's beautiful. Like, I'm really glad I went with the pink. I was actually going to get red seats. But then I was just like, you know what? I have not seen anybody with these. Not only that, but I'm most likely going to get some more of the interior wrapped in this Prisma pattern. And this sparkle theme is actually going to go with quite a few things in the car. So, yeah. Oh, actually, I also get my wing today. I need to text that guy because I'm going to be trading the the CR Kais for a wing and probably some cash on top with the wing. And yeah, then I need to sell these tires because I have no use for them. And lastly, I need to get the barrels for this because I'm going to get these wheels rebuilt. Then I'm going to ceramic coat them, and these are going to be the winter wheels because, well, that's if nobody buys them. I'm going to buy like the barrels and get them rebuilt and ceramic coat them anyway, but I'm not going to put tires on it until somebody either buys it. Unless somebody decides to buy it, then I'll throw these tires back on or just include them with it. I'm most likely just going to include it with it. And then I'll use these as winters if nobody does buy it because, yeah, boring wheels are just not for me. And these will be a good spec similar to what the wheels that I already have for the Skyline are. So, yeah, I'll be using these for winter wheels if I don't sell them. And then another update. The E36 had some work done. I don't remember if I showed you guys or not, but I'll go outside and I'll show you guys that. But these are the SSRs, and I'm still trying to decide if I want the E36 Pandem kit or if I want to do a similar thing to what I'm going to be doing with the Skyline. But I'm most likely just going to go with the Pandem kit, and I'll rebuild these to like 11.5 fronts, 13.5 rears, because the offset's going to be in the I'm most likely just going to add, which will be what, 5.5-inch lips here, 7.5-inch lips to the rears, and call it that. And yeah, so I'm probably going to order the lips for that on Black Friday, because I'm sure they'll have a sale for that. And let me go outside. I have to take that wheel off because I have to message the guy. But E36, I have to get this water off. I should have never put these Uggs on, because I do not want them to get wet. I don't know even where this water is going to leak to. So, let's see. Oh, I could probably move this forward. You guys can see those are the pushy thingies for the cam thingies. So that's on. I have to go to AutoZone and get a water pump. And then the mechanic is going to come this week and get some work done on it. Or the weekend, whichever. And yeah, this is going to be getting along. So before the snow for sure, I want this thing to be running, because this thing has literally been here for a year. Year really flew by. But I did collect quite the few amount of parts, so it's like once it's running, I'm going to throw the tune on it, drive it as is for a couple days while this thing is down, getting the work on it with the over fenders and stuff like that. And yeah, this thing is going to be the daily for a little while with the cammed engine and stuff like that. And I'm going to be buying another engine to do the stroker kit with, so I actually have to get some stuff for that. I was actually speaking to the guy, so I have to contact him again and let him know that I'm probably going to try to get that engine like in a week or two, so I can just put that in the basement with the rest of my parts and build that. But yeah, this thing is getting underway. As you guys can see, there's actually some progress. And I actually have to do like the I have to take the interior part and get the cage put in and do all that. But no matter how much I love the Skyline, E36 is literally like one of my favorite cars, like, of all time. Like, it's Ferrari F40 is the number one, and then it's gonna be between like a 911 996 or something like that, like the RWB cars. And then the E36 will literally be my third. Like, I love the E36s that much. Like, yeah. But I'll get back to you guys later on when I go to like Walmart and AutoZone, and possibly like when I get the wing and do whatever else. So see you guys later. Terrible lighting, but hold on. Yeah, so pardon the blurriness and everything, but the brackets are here, so I'm going to bring it down to the basement and unbox it. And I also got a couple things from Walmart. I didn't record because I didn't actually find what I was looking for, so it was kind of irrelevant, but that's going to be coming tomorrow, and it's just like a fabric protector, and that's like to waterproof it and stuff like that, make the seats a little less resistant, a little more resistant to stains. Alright, so let's I guess I'll flip it this way. So they're planted brackets, I believe these are called. And then rails are like the things that slide. There are no rails, so these are gonna be like set. So I gotta, you know, angle them to how I want them to be angled. And I don't believe there's hardware, so I am gonna have to go to the hardware store and grab that. I wish I thought of this before, because I was literally like right at the hardware store like a couple minutes ago when I was on my way home. But yeah, these are the planted brackets, left and right, driver and passenger, woody woody woo. And those are the seats that are absolutely beautiful, and I really can't wait to install these. I was going to do them today, but it's raining, so I can't, so I have to wait until tomorrow, but that's cool. So I'll catch you guys in the next video when it's time to install them.